Hi and welcome back to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. So now we have moved into the new phase of learning into the Metasploit, and this is the meterpreter scripting phase. Now first of all, don't get worried about, I'm not going to teach you how to make a scripts in the meterpreter and the programming and all this stuff, because I have already discussed that quite a lot in my Python series. So what we are going to learn in this video is how we can utilize those already created scripts which are being placed in the meterpreter. So for that, first of all, we need to actually exploit into one Windows machine and have our meterpreter session so that we can find out what are the different scripts that we can use on. So I've already got set up with my variables, you can see at here, and I have discussed that in a much of videos, last of those videos. So I can directly hit the exploit command right now and can get into that particular Windows machine. So it's triggering the vulnerability for me and sending the stages and all these. Hope you remember that from the previous videos. And we have got our meterpreter session. That's pretty cool. So what we are going to do to run those scripts, first of all, I'm going to write run, and I can check that the victim machine is on the VM or not. Is it a virtual machine or not? So I can simply run check VM, and that's going to run some scripts on the meterpreter and is going to check for me that whether I have got some virtual machine on the victim machine or not. So it's checking if target, and it says yes, this is a VMware virtual machine. So that's a pretty good thing that we have got. Also, we have got lots of other scripts. So what you can do in order to find out that, just type the run and hit the tab key twice. And once you will run the tab key twice, you will find out that there are 209 possible scripts that you can run. Just hit the Y to get all those. So you'll find out that apart from the check VM, we have got domain list generator, we have got a Firefox enumeration with Firefox, and keep hitting the enter, you will find a lot more. Like one, we have got get countermeasures. So let me quit this and get the countermeasures. Get countermeasures. So once I do that, it will show me what are the countermeasures. The firewall is on or off, the antivirus is on or off, is it going to disable it, and lot more script are all for you to just use it. And so it's getting me all the configuration for the firewall and the remaining stuff. So it says yes, there is a lot more thing available for you. You can simply read that, and it also checking the DEP support policy. So that's pretty interesting thing. But as you can understand, it is not at all possible to show you all the 200 scripts right now, because it's going to make an entire series for us for 209 videos. So definitely I'll appreciate if you'll try out all these things by yourself. One interesting script that is out there is actually the kill antivirus. So although it is not going to kill the antivirus perfectly for you, but what it can does, all the famous processes which are run by the antiviruses which are in that script, you can actually kill those processes on the victim's computer. So no more antivirus problem is going to be there. Also, since it's an open source Ruby platform, you can add in your processes into that and can kill the antivirus for you. So that's a pretty awesome thing in the meterpreter, that you have got a lots more script. If you have got your own script designed in the Ruby, you can place it in the meterpreter folder and can run your own script as well. So that's all for this video that we have got to learn, and definitely in the next video we are going to try to create some of the script using the meterpreter as well. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.